Hi everyone, in this lesson I am going to take you through a final project, that how the final project will look and how our design will look. And that is our zero code website, and we have like in menu bar, and it is like a transparent, and we have services, about, and contact, and that all four button will work and it will functional. And we are going to show you that what you will get in all these menus. But in a home page, like we are in home right now, and we will see that in the we have like a parallax animation here, and we have a big image in the bottom, and we have like a video here which I have just displayed, and we have like build website without coding, and you have a sentence or paragraph, and you have a button. And at bottom, when we are going to come here, we have like, oh, who is it for? And the course is aimed at anyone who wants to create website on their own. And here is an image as well, and we have our expertise like for zero coding, which is WordPress, PHP, and JavaScript, and design is Photoshop, Illustrator. And that R bar, you just saw that it were animated and just moved. Like if I'm going to refresh that one, you are going to see that now it just move. And our teaching team, like that is me, Jamshed Raza, and we have that section as well. And you can see that why should you trust us, support is 100%, and course 85%, and top reseller we have 62%. It was also animated. Like if I'm going to refresh once again, and you are going to see that. And we have that one, which is the picture and practice make perfect. And we have like that video, the best campus facilities we have. And at the final, we have like learned from the very best, and we have contact number, and everything is written here. And at the bottom we have copyright, which is 2018, and zero code. And if I'm going to press that, and we have like services, and if I'm going to click services, then you will get like a new page for the services. And we have a big image in this one as well, and we are on our way, like it is written. And for the purpose of the design, we have just put lorem ipsum sentences here, and one button. And our services like web development, web design, and SEO services. And our expertise like fast development, perfect design, and best custom support. And companies we are working with, like you are going to get that one as well. And you will see that it is also animated, and it is also functioning. And we have about page that we are going to design in this course, and that is like we have Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And our story, we have also written lorem ipsum sentence here, and our big video which we are going to just explain what is going on. And also the same, we have company here. And finally we have like contact us page, which we are going to design in this course. And you can also see that the parallax animation is here. And we have visit us, like the address, call us, like the phone number with some details, and contact us with email, and some details also here. And there is a big image which will be like you are going to work on that one. And you have like social media icons as well here. Now that is completely the front end of that website, and it is completely working. And if you are going to edit that one, we have the back end as well. Like if I'm going to come here, and I am going to come in admin panel, and like I have admin, and we are going to click. Yeah, I'm now entering here, and you can see we have completely like the home page functioning, everything. And we have like post, and we have also written no post right now, but we have all the pages which we are going to edit, like we have here. And like you are going to comment, appearance, everything is here completely. It is functioning. I hope we will make that complete website in these codes, and without coding you are going to make nothing, or you are not going to use any code. We are completely going to use click, drag and drop functionality in WordPress, one of the best CMS website, which is open source and everyone can use that. And we are going to design that beautiful website without any expenses. Everything will be free, and you are going to get that free version of the website. But again, that if you are going to work like in these website and going to design that website, you can make any website according to yourself. Like if you are going to see the website of the Apple or Microsoft, or you are going to use like Airbnb, you can make any of that website. We are just going to see that how can we download WordPress, and since we are using the world's most powerful CMS, which is free, open source, and we are going to use that completely free, and therefore for downloading you are going to come in wordpress.org and you are going to just write /download, and when you are going to come at the down, then you will find that you have a download and WordPress that is 4.9.8. but since I'm recording that video, maybe that number could be different for you, but don't worry, the complete procedure will work same for all of that WordPress version, if it will be update or if it will remain like as it is. But I know that it will not remain as it is. WordPress is just updating on daily basis. Okay, no problem, you have to download that one, and after downloading you are going to save that one. I have already downloaded and saved that one, and after downloading you are going to open your XAMPP control panel, and I'm going to start the Apache and MySQL, and after that you can see both of them are started. And now I'm going to explore, and we are going to come in HT docs, and I have just copied the WordPress 4.9.8 here, and you are going to just what you are going to do, extract that here, and let me just rename that WordPress as well, because then it will conflict with the name. Now I will extract it. I'm extract it here, and I'm using like WinRAR right now. Therefore you can just directly right click on that one and extract the complete file, and everything will be just downloaded here, and we are just going to install then further by configuration. Now the file has been just here, and by the name of the WordPress you are going to change that with anything like I will say that zero coding or zero code. Okay, and we are just remember that name because we are going to access that name, and I will let me change that WordPress. And now what we are just going to do, we are just going to configure our database and WordPress installation. We are just going to install WordPress in our local host, which is the XAMPP control panel is in front of me, and we are just going to we are going to come in Explorer, and we are going to write localhost, and in localhost we are just going to click that one, and after doing so we will get like PHP admin or my admin, and you are going to click that one. And for doing so you are going to come here like in database, and we have new database, and I will call the database like zero coding, maybe zero code. Okay, and we are going to, you can just name that anything, that is not the problem. If the folder, like we have already copied our WordPress, that folder was like zero code, you can differentiate or change that name. It is not the matter that both should be similar, but for the purpose of this tutorial, since I'm using zero code all over my website, therefore I'm just creating and it will be more easy to memorize. Okay, now you can see here we have 0 code, and next we are going to come in localhost, and I will just come here, like let me just show you in folder what we had, like we had here 0 code. I'm going to access that one, therefore it is in localhost, which I am writing here, and we can access the 0 code, and that is our main website. And you can see now the welcome screen is here, and whatsoever language you are going to select, you are free to select, but I'm going to select English for the purpose of this tutorial. You can use any one of that one, either you have Hindi or you have like Arabic, different other option is also here, and I think we have like Urdu as well, and all over the world, because it is one of the most popular CMS platform, which thousands, or if I'm not wrong, million of websites are using like WordPress. And we are going to click continue, and after that we are going to configure like database name and database user and password and host and table prefix. We will say that let's go, since we have already created the database name, which was 0 code, and the user, we will just write that, since I'm just installing that in the localhost, therefore we are going to write that root. And for the password, I'm going to just remove that because there is no password, and for database host name, everything will be as it is, and you don't need anything to be installed. Now submit, and all right, Sparky, you have made it through, and it means we are ready to run the installation. You are going to click run the installation, and after that you will get much more information, like you have welcome, and you are going to write the title of the website. I will write that 0 code. Title should be like 0 code. Okay, now the user, I will write like admin, no problem if I'm going to write anything, and we are just going to write like here, what should be the password? Maybe I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 for now. Okay, and I will say that it is since week 1 2 3 4 5 6, but I will confirm that one, and I will write like email, and I will, no problem if I discourage the search engine from the indexing this site, because it is in localhost. And if you are working on actual web hosting, then you should not do that one, and you are going to click install WordPress, and it will install WordPress. And I don't upgrade that one, and click login, and we have like admin, and I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 password, and we are going to click login. And now we are here in our dashboard of the WordPress, and congratulations, you have successfully installed your WordPress website. It is the main dashboard, which we are going to go through some of that setting in next lesson. And if you are going to see the actual website, you are going to right click that one and see that your website looks something like this one. Let me just load that one, and that is the beautiful website right now. And we have like a post, hello world and welcome to the WordPress. This is your first website. Okay, that is front end of the website, which the user will see everything, and it is the back end of the website, which you are going to edit anything, or you are going to add anything. It could be maybe images, videos, or pictures, no problem. You can just do everything here, and afterward you can see the result in the main front page. I hope you understood that how you are going to configure Okay, you are going to see in this lesson a little bit about the configuration of the WordPress in backend, and on the top you are going to see if you want to visit your website, or if you are in your front end, then you can also click and go to your dashboard. And we are since in backend and we have dashboard, and there are some information, and the top one is like update of WordPress, and we are going to dismiss that one. And now we have like WordPress, welcome to WordPress, and we are going to see that customize. If we are going to customize our website, we are definitely going to do that, but not now. And if we are going to write like write your first blog post and add about page, you are going to write like posts and pages. What is post and what is pages, I will definitely tell you. And you can also see that you have post here and pages here, and you are going to view your site as well, like we already did that one. And you can manage widget and or menu. We are going to see and go on each and every one of that one. And at a glance you have one post, one comment and one page. What are those comments and page? If you are going to see that, you have like that one post which is already installed and it is saying hello. And if you are going to come like in that post, you are going to click that one, and you have like one comment as well, like hi, this is a comment to get started with monitoring, editing and deleting. You can do whatever you want, but we are going to see that how we are going to do that one. And for doing so, we are going to come in dashboard, and in dashboard we have like post, and we are going to click all post, and we don't want that one which has been installed by default. We are going to click that one, and we will come here. Either we are going to edit or we can just move to trash, but right now I'm going to move that to the trash. And now it moved, and we have like pages, and I will also have two pages which I don't want that to one as well, and we are going to make our own pages, and we are going to delete that one as well, because we are cleaning each and everything. And in comment, since I have already deleted the post and the comment already gone. Now what else we have, like if you want, for example, media, you want to add some sort of images or like videos, you can add in that media, and you can moderate or edit or whatsoever you want. You can do that in comment section. And next we have appearance, like if we want to edit the UI design or customization of the website, we can completely do that from here, and we will go through each and every that setting here which is included in appearance. And you have plugin. Plugin is one of the most powerful section of the WordPress, where the developer are working and making each and everything easy for you. And we are also going to take the help of plugin and make our website without coding, and that is due to some of plugins which we are going to install in the next lesson. And therefore, if you are going to see that we have a lot of powerful like integration, if you want, in your WordPress website, then you can definitely use a lot of plugins which will be easy for you to just integrate in your website. And here you are going to add like different users. If the writer are here, you can add writer. If there are like SEO expert, you are going to add here. And in tool you have some simple information, like if you are going to import and export your data, then you can do that from here. In setting, we are going to just see in next lesson that we are going to simply make some changes in our setting. We are just going to make some changes in our WordPress website. Like if I want to, if I'm going to click in plugin, you will see some of default plugin which have been installed here. I'm going to remove that one as well and move that to like delete everything and apply here, and you can see now it will be deleted, and I don't need any one of that one. And we are going to install the plugins ourselves. And next we are going to come in setting, and we have like journal, and you can see that we have the site title site which we just written in the process of installation, but the tagline was not there. But we are going to just change the tagline. If you are going to see that we have zero coding, here is the title and just another WordPress website. I don't want that should be with zero coding. I will write here something else like build, create, or build website without coding experience. I think that is more relevant with zero coding experience. Okay, and what else we are going to do? Everything is completely fine for now because the URL should be like this one. And if you want to change the format of date, you can change that one. Like right now we have by default that should just bring like November 21st in 2018, like it is month, and we have date and year. You can also change the formation or the format like this one, and the time also you can change that one. And one thing else we are going to do, that it is permalink. And permalink is how your website or your article should be represented. Like there should be date here in the top URL of your website. I just say that no, there should not be that, just only the post name or page name should be there. Then we are going to write this one. We will just click on the post name and it will just click on that one, and nothing else we will change. Just save the changes, and we are ready to configure our website. We are just going to add one theme, which is the appearance of the website. Like we are going to click on theme, and we have like 3 theme already installed here. If you are going to delete that one, you can also do that. For example, if I'm going to come here and we have like WordPress and we have zero code, and we have like WP content, and we have themes, and we have all the themes which is installed in the WordPress content and themes. Right now the theme which is activated, it is 2017, and that one 2017, I don't need that one, therefore I'm going to delete this one. And you can see now these two are present. When I'm going to refresh that one, you can see no theme here, and only 2017 is here, which is already activated. But we don't want that one as well, and for doing so we are going to click add. On the top we have add new, we are going to click that one, and we have a popular WordPress, and you are going to click that one. And if you don't get like which one we want, then I will show you. You can also search that one. We need that ocean WP, that is a theme, and we are going to write here as well like ocean WP theme, and it will display for you here in here. Okay, right now we are going to just install that one, and you can install any one of that website, but the purpose which I am going to show you, that is one of the template which we are going to use, like drag and drop formation in every website which you have, like different other website which has that option as well. But we are going to install it right now, and it will start installing that theme. As you can see that it is now installed, and we are going to just see either we have installed that one. As you can see that it is now installed, and we are just going to activate that one. And for activating, you are going to click activate, and next you are just going to see your website. Like if I'm going to come here, and you can see that now it is in different version. Now we have zero code just in other website, or we are going to change that one as well in customization. And we have like we are going to change it just another website, and customization we have, and we are just going to add or change like site identity, and either here I'm going to say, or I'm going to change that one, like just in other website we are going to say that build website with without coding, and we are going to update that one, and then it is published right now, but we are just going to see that why it is not changing. And for that one we should come here, and also yeah, that is completely working fine. Build website without coding, and we have 0 code. And we are going to add some pages for our website, and how we are going to do that, we have like pages, and we are going to come here. For example, I'm going to add new, and we have like home page, then I will write home, and we are going to publish that one. Nothing else we are going to write. If we are going to add something here, we can do that as well, but right now I will not do, and we will show you in future that how we are going to add. And it is very simple, like if you are using MS Word, you can easily just see whatsoever you have. Like for example, that is the home page website. Okay, then you can also make bold, italic, or whatsoever. For example, there are different option, and if you want, for example, want to install, and for example further customize and publish, and you are going to write something like this one as well. And it is quite simple. I'm going to delete that one, and right now we are going to add new, and I will write like about. We are going to also publish that one, and next we are going to add like contact. If someone want to contact us, that contact us, and we are going to publish that one as well. And finally we will also write like if we want services, we can add the services as well, services, and we are going to publish that one. And as you can see, we have pages, and all the pages are here. Next, what we are going to do, we will come in appearance and in customization, and we will add our home page, since it is not our home page. As you are looking here, it is not the home page, it is blog post page. What is the difference between home page and blog post page, you will then understand in next upcoming videos. And here we are going to write like home page setting, and I will just take that static page, and in home page we are going to take like home. And when I'm going to publish that one, you will see something like this one. We are going to add some plugins which we are going to require. As you are going to see that, for example, these themes recommend the following plugins like Elementor, and you are going to need Ocean Extra as well, and it is optional. WordPress form, because we are not going to use form right now, but it is optional. And you are going to click like begin installing plugins, or you are going to come here in plugins, and you are going to just see that the same option will be here. If you don't get that one, you are going to add like new, and after clicking in new, you will get, or you can install any plugin from here. For example, I need Elementor, then you can now see that these will be here, like you have Elementor page builder, but we don't want that one, and we are going to install each and every plugin from here. And I'm going to just install that one, and we are going to say install. Okay, I'm going to apply, and it will start installing the plugins. As you can see, both of them are now installed, and we are going to activate each of that one. And first I'm going to activate the Ocean Extra, and then we are just going to activate the Elementor as well. And now you will see the welcome screen for the Elementor, and you are going to see the video as well, but I'm going to show you each and everything. You don't need to see that video. If you are, then as you wish, but we are just going to come in the like page, and we have all pages, and in home page we are going to edit that one. And now right now you are going to see in the content layout we have like 100% width. I'm going to select that one, and in the title we are just going to disable page title, or you have heading as well. We are going to disable that one, and we are going to update, and you can see something like this one now, and the like we had the same like build website with zero coding experience. It is now removed, and everything is completely fine, and you can also see no sidebar here, and it is completely empty. Now what else we are just going to do? We are just going to come in appearance, and in appearance we have like customization, and in customization we will come here, and we are just going to work with Elementor. Or right now let me just remove that one, not required. In pages we will come here, and we have like all pages, and sorry, we are going to come in pages and all pages, and we have like home. We are going to edit that one, and you will get like edit with Elementor. And are going to see that how we are going to edit our home page with Elementor. You are going to just click edit with Elementor, and Elementor will just start adding, and now you have different option here. For example, let me just make that smaller. In sidebar we have like Elementor, and there is our home page, and each and everything is looking nice here, but and we have like here one section, and we have 8 new session, and we have also theme if you want to, if you have built-in theme. And how we are going to do that? We can just do each and everything right now, and if we are going to add session, then you will get grid system here. Like if you want 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, as we were making a website with WordPress, we had each and every column in our hand, and we just configured that one. Therefore you can do that without any problem. For example, if I need one heading, then I can just add something here, and for adding here you can see that I can add text, and I will say that, for example, if I need that to be in center, we are going to alignment that to be center, and in style we are just going to edit the typography, and the size should be like greater, and what should be the height line, and we are going to say that 0 or build website without coding. Okay, now here again, if I need something at the bottom of that one, or then we can also do that as well. For example, if I come in here, and we have like should be some text, and we are going to try that, and we should also see that that is my first website building without coding experience. And if you need that should be in center as well, then you should come in content, and then you have like, let me just see quickly that what we have. Okay, let me just text, and we have the text here, and we have age, and everything is written here. Now what else we are just going to do? If we want to add new session, then we can add new section here, like 2 column I have added, and in first column we are going to add like, or in second column I'm going to add like image, and we can just load image here, by selecting image, and we will just bring some image here, like for example, and we are going to insert, and here we are just going to add some information, like if we need some text here, then we can add, for example, let me increase that, and we have like, and you can directly just write here as well. And for example, if you can see, we have the website, which is very quickly and very beautifully we are going to add. Now if I'm going to add, for example, here one more station, and it should be full, and we are going to get, for example, a theme here, and we have some of most amazing themes as well, like I need the blocks, and there are some beautiful blocks as well. And for doing so, for example, I need like that two are like for pro version, you cannot add that one. And let me just see which one should I add, and then we are going to add. Okay, if I'm going to add this one, and we are going to insert that one, and you can see now how beautifully you are going to get each and everything here. Now if I'm going to like update that one, and we are going to come in our website and refresh that one, and you are now going to see that everything is configured very amazingly and very beautifully. Like now we have just done very simple and very quickly done and build our website. In next lesson we are going to see that how we are going to create menu for that website, and after that we will build that website very elegant and beautiful. We are just going to add new menu, and for doing so you have to just exit that Elementor, and we are going to come here and exit to dashboard, and in dashboard we will just click appearance, and we have like menu and customization. Both of them are same at the right place, but I will come in customization, and we will see that here in live preview that whatever we are going to just change in menu or in website as well. Now for example, you have menu, and you are going to create new menu, and you are going to write that main, and here we are going to select main, and you are going to see that we are going to press next, and after that you are going to see that you are going to add some item to that menu, and for that one I will add home, services, contact, and about. Okay, now services should be okay, about should be here, and contact should be at the final. And you can see now, right now we have completely each and every menu is here. If I'm going to click on services, then you will see that it will go to our services, and about it will go to about, and contact it will go to contact, and home, and we have right now home, that is we have built our home page, and we are going to publish that one. And after that we just going to come here, and we have everything, just the menu is now ready, and if you are going to see that, refresh that one, and the menus are ready. We are just going to see that how we can make our website more elegant, and how we are going to build that and look more amazing. And for doing so we will come in pages, and in home we are going to edit that one. And one thing I have noticed here, if you are going to edit with Elementor, and you are going to see that we have on the top we have one area as well, and that is due to the like we have, let me just go and exit from here, and I will show you that we are going to come in header, and we have like enable or disable the top bar. We have one bar here as well, like in top bar there is one option as well. We are going to disable that one and going to update, and you are going to see right now it has been disabled, and we have now complete menu. And next what we are just going to do, we are just going to make and edit that Elementor with Elementor, and we are just going to delete each and every section of that one because we don't want that one, and it is not looking good. As a professional, when you are going to create your website, you should be a very well designed like sense, and that is only possible if you are a graphic designer and you have graphic experience. Then therefore we are going to remove everything here, and now everything is removed, and we are going to add on the folder, and it is add template. And after that you are going to just see different complete website like there are, and we are going to use one of free website which is like home page, and we are going to say that insert, and it will install our website which is completely established. And after that we are going to just make some customization, or we can add or remove anything which we want from ourselves. Now let's see what it looks like and just experience the home page of that website. As you can see that it is now loaded, and we have complete website is here. Now scrolling down, each and everything is here. Let me just update that one, and after updating, when we are going to just refresh our website, and you can see completely amazing website already has been created, and with some very easy and simple step you can just change that website. For example, how to make a website, we are just going to change that one in main dashboard. And for example, let's come here, we are going to say build website like website without coding. Okay, now see how easily we can convert and edit that one. We can edit each and everything, and we can either change the size of that column which you want. And when I'm going to update that one, you can see now how to build will be changed into build website without coding. And we are going to change the style of the menu bar. Now as you can see that it is looking alright, but there is no problem. We have a white background and we have a logo, and then we have like buttons here. But how about if we are going to make that transparent, or if we are going to change the color or anything here? For that one we are going to come in dashboard, and we have like customization or customize. Then we will get here some option, and for that one we are just going to see that we have like header, and in header we have menu, and in menu we have different option here. Okay, for example, if we want to change that one, we can change that, but right now I'm going to change the background of that one. Therefore we are going to come in header in journal, and we have like the background color, and we have one. Let me just check that. See, we have like red, and we have like this color, and we are going to change, for example, if the style, we are going to change that to transparent, and transparent look like something this one, and you are going to change that like full screen, and full screen will look like this one. But right now we are going to just change that to the transparent, and you can see that your complete menu bar will be transparent, and we can see under of that transparent we have whatever background we have right now, it is now visible here. But we have aligned white line, and that is header border bottom. We are going to remove that one, and now what we are going to do, we will come in background and transparent header setting. We have background, and we are going to change that, for example, to the pure background, and the transparency, how much should be the transparency, I will make that like 25%. And then we are going to go, since we are not going to see the menu color, therefore, or the logo color is not that much visible, then therefore we are going to come in the logo, and we are going to make the logo color that should be like white, and now you can see it is coming out very nicely. And you can also add like images if you have logo for your image, but right now we don't need the logo. And we are going to come like in menu bar as well, and in menu bar we have the link color. That link color should be like this one, and we are going to make that white as well. And you can see that the link color is white right now. And what else we are just going to see, for example, if we are going to see the select color, when I am going to hover on that menu, we have like blue color, and it is, I think, fine. Then we have like current menu. If I'm in home page, what should be the color? But I'm not going to change that each and every other setting. And as you can see that we have changed the color as well, and that is completely fine right now. And we are going to publish, and we are going to see that, and now everything is working all right. We are going to see that how we can make some changes. For example, if I'm in home page and I'm going to edit with Elementor, and in Elementor we are just going to add or make some changes. For example, if I don't want that one, then we are going to edit, and we just put here our own like website. And for that I'm going to come here, and like I will come in youtube.com, and I will just search for my channel, and when I will come here, and I am going to get any one of my video, and we are just going to enter the link in the description. For example, if I'm going to come here, then we are just going to get any one of that URL. For example, I will come here and copy the link location, and we are going to add here. And you can see now, if I'm going to remove, for example, yeah, now you are going to see, and there is the website. And how about if we are going to change the section here, for example, clicking that one, and we have like in background what we have, style, and choose your image we have in background. And we are going to just delete that one and add one new like I have here, and I'm going to add that YouTube banner as a background. And you can see now it is looking like professionaltutorial.com, or we are going to change the background, maybe something with like these dark color. And if I'm going to just make update here, and we go to the website, and you can see exactly now the transparency and everything is looking quite amazing, and the website is also coming very much beautiful, and the parallax effect is also coming here. Since it is the coding and I have added the graphic designing, how about if we are going to add like some coding part of that videos? And I will come here, and we are going to say that, yeah, if I'm going to add that one, maybe more, it will look more amazing. And let me just bring that, and we are just going to edit that one and paste here. And now you can see, yeah, that is coming out very good. And we are going to refresh that one once again, and you can see that everything is now transparent. That menu is also looking good, and we have like build website without coding, and we have this one, and we have like start. And how about if we are going to change that one? And for doing so, we will come in that one, and we are just going to change that, for example, with these. And now if I'm going to change, for example, the image of my own image, then we are going to change that one, uploading the image. And I will come like in professional tutorial, and we have my profile image. When I'm going to insert that one, as you can see that it is bigger than that all-to one. We will come in style, and we will just say that maximum width should be like 40%. How about these style. Okay, it is smaller, but my image is bigger size, then therefore I have to adjust manually that one. And now it is looking completely fine. Update, and we will come here, and as you can see that now each and everything is looking who is it for. And you can see now, if let me change the name as well, Jamshed and Raza, and we will say that web developer and designer, for example. We are going to call that, and here we are going to also link the Twitter, and you can just add the link, all the links here, and you can also add different other items as well. Like we have WordPress right now. If you are going to change the icon, you can change that to WhatsApp, and as you can see everything is looking, or I want that to be YouTube, like right now it is YouTube. And as you can see we have now 4 here and 3 is here, and everything is I am going to show you that how you are going to add some more section in here. And for doing so you are going to come in Elementor, and for example I am going to add something here, and here I'm going to add something here. And for doing so we have clicked here, and I will add like 1 column, and we will come in main session, and we have like progress bar. I'm going to add that one, and we have like, let me just find out the progress bar. Okay, I will write here progress bar. Okay, we have here progress bar, and I'm going to add that one in that section. And for example, if I'm going to write the expertise, and I'm going to make the heading as well here, and should be center, and I will make that a bit bigger, and for that we are going to add the typography, and maybe something like here, and we will say that our expertise. And then we are just going to add like here, and we have my skill, and I will say development, and on development we have like, let me just see, development. Okay, we have PHP, or I will say WordPress, for example. Since we are working on WordPress, it should be like 95%, then we are going to change that as a 95%. And if you want, for example, more than 1 progress bar, then you can simply click on that one and Control D, and it will duplicate your that development. For example, if I want that one should not be here, like in development we have WordPress, and next what we have like PHP, and I will write like PHP, we have 85, and next I'm going to duplicate once again that one, and then in third one we are going to write like JavaScript, and it should be like how much percentage we have, like for example I will write that 70%. We are not good at JavaScript at all. Then next we are going to add one more like progress bar, and for doing so I will write here progress bar, and we are going to come and here, then it is development, and I'm going to write some more skill, like we have designing or design. Then I will write here Photoshop, for example, what we have Photoshop 90%, and I'm going to add that one, and we are going to remove in design, since it is the main category Illustrator, and we have like 90% or 95%, and we have like some more. Okay, you got the idea that how we are going to work on that one. I'm going to update, and we will come here and see that right now we have like our, okay, that is built without coding. And who is it for? For example, it is for those people who don't know the coding. And what is our expertise that we are telling to you, that one. And we have development, WordPress, PHP and JavaScript, and we have InDesign, we have Photoshop and Illustrator. Everything is looking like this one. And if you are going to see that we have like background color, if you are going to change the color, you can change it as well. For example, for Illustrator, I will recommend like doing this color, and for Photoshop maybe blue is fine. For JavaScript we are going to change that color, should be something else like green. And for PHP we are going to change its color something else, like maybe, okay, for we are doing like PHP. And okay, we have now development, and for development I'm going to change the color as well here. And for doing so we are going to change something else color. Now updating, and we will see that here we are going to refresh that one, and you are going to see that we have different color right now, and each color is looking very nice and amazing. And how about if we are going to add one new session? For example, how about if we are going to add something else like here? And if I'm going to add, for example, here, add one new session, and we are going to grab, or maybe I'm going to just bring from the, okay, add new session, bring from the template, and we are going to bring that from the block. And we have like, look, let me just see which one. Yeah, powerful number, and that is for pro version. How about if we have like light version? We don't have right now light version. Yeah, that is light version. I'm going to insert that one. Maybe it is more, or 3.1. I'm going to add this one in my website. Yeah, like support, we have 95% design, or we have like, if I'm going to change that one, what should be 90% is fine. But how about the title? I'm going to write that for courses. For example, courses, we have 90 or 85% courses. And here I'm going to change that one like support, and it should be what we have, top reseller, and we have like 62% is fine. And if you are going to see, we can change the color as well. And here I'm going to change that one as well, by default gray. And we are going to change that one, and we are going to change this one as well. And now how about if we are going to write the heading here as well? Then I'm going to add one heading here, for example. Okay, if I'm not, then I can add one heading here. And for heading, we will bring to this center and style and typography, and we are going to just change that same procedure, or same repeating thing is going on here. And we are going to write like why should you trust? Then we have like support, and support should be like 100% if I'm going to add. And courses, we have 85%, and top seller we have this one, and therefore you should trust us. Okay, now if I'm going to refresh that one, and we just find that one, we have like each and everything. The website is completely organized, and we have arranged everything in our team. And we have why should, okay, there is some, I think some space problem is here. We should make that like here, and I'm going to quickly adjust that one, and everything else is completely fine. For example, if I'm going to make the height for that title, how we are going to do that? content, and we have like, what should we, let me just check if I can do that, or either I can make some space, maybe that is also fine. For now we're going to update that one and see that how it is going to, yeah, now it is completely fine, it is in center and everything is looking all right and fine. And that is how you are going to make your complete website without any expertise of coding, and you can do that as well. And next we are going to learn that how we can add our all other pages like services, about, and contact. And now as you are going to click that one, you have nothing like services here but nothing else is here. And similarly with about and contact is same, but we are going to just quickly edit that one. We are going to come here and we just exit Elementor right now, and we will come in pages. And in pages, we, for example, if I'm going to just edit the services, then I have to edit that one, and we are going to edit with Elementor, and everything will be like completely fine. Now since I have that widget as well, I'm going to just go back and make that 100%. the width should be 100% imable, and we are going to update that one. And then we are just going to click on services, and we have top menu bar as well. We are going to edit that one as well, title, and we are just header on top bar, we are going to disable that one and update. And as you can see, now it is updated. And next we are going to edit with Elementor, and we are going to add like template here. And in pages, we are just going to see one simple like page that we can add here, and that should be very simple. If I'm going, how about if I'm going to search that one like services? Okay, we have like here so many pages are here which is saying that services. Now which one we are going to add? For example, I'm going to add this one, and it is looking quite simple. Or I can add either this one. Let me just add this one, and we will wait for Elementor to load that page, and after that one we are going to adjust. Okay, now it is loading, and you can see that already we have this part. And if I'm going to update that one, and we are going to see on the services that we have like, yeah, now see our services, parking, moving, and storage, and our expertise, fast delivery, item. We are going to change each and everything, and our company is like, if we are going to change, it is going to very amazing. And now let me just quickly change that one. We are going to like changing that image, and for this one I'm going to, I'm going to delete that one. And next we are going to like click that, and in layout we have like, what we have like to layout, or I'm going to style that one, and yeah, going to change the image, maybe like that one, and insert. And we have that should be not here, it should be like, I'm going to, how about if I'm going to take that one, can I take that one and move here, and also take that one and move here? And how about using and taking that here? And if I'm going to take that maybe in center, that will be okay. And how about that should be center, and that is okay, all right. And how about if I'm going to just make this one? Now see, I have adjusted. Why? Because we are going to show that image, and all the text should be here. And when I'm going to update that one, and you can see now it is looking nice to me. And we are going to our services, we are going to say that what should be like, we are going to change each and everything, no matter, and there is no problem. For example, I'm going to say that designing, or we are going to say web development, and also we are going to say that web design, and we are also going to say that and SEO services. Okay, and next we are going to say our expertise, fast. If I'm going to just say that fast, okay, we are going to say fast development, and how about and about the item description, I'm going to write that, for example, fast development and perfect design, and we are going to say and happy or best customer support, okay. Now our companies we work with, and that will be same as it is, and we are going to update that one, and we will going to see, and now it is looking fine. And for me, like fast development, perfect design, and we have best customer support, and our companies are here. And one thing I noticed that we forget to remove that part as well, and for doing so we are going to come and exit the Elementor, and then we are just going to come in header, and we have already disabled it. How about title? We are also going to disable the page title, since we have already written everything that should be okay. And now you can see now services will be removed. Now it is looking more amazing. And home, when we are going to come in home, we will see something like this one, and after that when someone will click on services, they will see different page, and they will get the services like this one. And now we will go to about, and we will design the about as well. We are going to design our about page, since about page is empty, and we are going to make that one same like we did with services, and we are going to come in pages, and we have about, and same we are going to come here, and should be 100%, and the header should be disabled on the top, and title also should be disabled, and we are going to update that one. And now we are going to edit with Elementor, and that will be quite fast because you have already learned that how you are going to do that one. And here we are going to say that about, and you are going to get like who we are, and for that is for interior design. But how about the art gallery maybe, or anything which you want, for example construction company. Okay, let me just add that one. Okay, that is for pro, and we can only add that one. Yeah, or maybe we are going to add this one, which is more amazing. And you can see it is loading right now, and the about page is ready, but the background seems to me a little bit not that much good. And we have like our page, Facebook page, Twitter, and then YouTube. And here we are going to change that the title should be YouTube, and okay, we are going to change that to YouTube. And we have Facebook, and we have here Twitter. Like I'm going to change that Twitter quickly. And our story, here is our lorem ipsum story, which is quite amazing for web development. And here we have like, if I'm going to add my Facebook, for example, how to make game in Python, and we are going to copy the location, and we will come here. Okay, don't play that one, and we are going to edit that one and put the URL here, paste, and you can now see our coding will just move, and we have all these options as well. And how about if changing the background of that one as well? I don't like that background. You can change and submit different background, but right now I'm going to just add, for example, which I have like coding that one, and we are going to add the insert, and similarly I'm going to update that one, and you are going to see here in about, now about us, as we have about us. If you want to learn more about us, we are in the right place. Then here is the story about us, and here is my one video, and the like company which we work for. All of these are services are here, like home here, and we are going to add contact us here as well. Now how about adding contact us page? You are going to learn that how you can add contact us page, and for contact us page we are going to do same procedure, and we will come like in dashboard, and we will come in pages, and we have like contact us, and we are going to edit, and we are going to do same procedure like 100%, and header should be disabled, title should be disabled, and update. And now you are going to see that we have everything is completely fine. And now edit with Elementor, and we are going to add template here, and we will add like contact and contact, and you can see now different option for contact are here, but we are using for free, not for like pro version, because everything I will show you here is 100% for free. Okay, and I think I just add that one or this one. Let me just see how this looks like. Visit our restaurant across the UK. No, that is a lot of information. Everything is very like dense. I don't like that one. Okay, how about this one? If we are going to see that one, yeah, that is quite simple, and it seems that it is fine. Yeah, that is fine, and I'm going to see that. Okay, let me, no, it is the pro version. We are not going to use that pro version right now, but let me see this one. If we are going to, yeah, that is also okay. Yeah, that is completely fine. Insert, and we have contact form here. Click that one in style, and first of all we are going to change the color. That should be like, the color is not fine for me right now. How about just changing that completely pure white? And yeah, contact us, need an expert. You are more than welcome to leave your contact info, and we will be in touch shortly. Yeah, everything is completely fine, perfect. And we also can like change the location. For example, if you want to change the location, you can also change in how much zoom should be here. You can also change the zoom option, like I have done that to be 11%, and everyone can just find out us. And how about this one? I think if I'm going to edit that one, and let's see if we can change the style. Yeah, we can change the style. If I'm going to make that more vibrant here, yeah, then how about if we are going to change like icon hover? No, how about that one should be like, yeah, it is now looking fine, and everything is perfect. We are going to update that one, and we will come here, like, let me just refresh, and yeah, contact us, and we have perfect, everything is looking perfect. Yeah, that is. How about if we are going to change that, and it should be like our page? We can change that one as well. Like if I'm going to change the color of that, style of that one, maybe the blue, as we were working on the light blue or dark blue. We are, yeah, that is fine. If I'm going to change that one as well, style, and we are going to change more to blue, and also that one style, and you just got the better idea how we are going to change. For example, I'm going to change the style of that one as well, and it should be blue as well, because it is not looking good, as I think I don't like orange should be here. Therefore I'm changing that to blue, and it looks more like web development or something similar to that one. And we are just going to add each and everything. Yeah, now it is looking perfect. Update that one. And how about if we are going to refresh that one, and you can see contact us and everything is like visit us. We have our address, we have call number, we have contact email, and we have like address where we are going to we are located, and we have all our social buttons which we are going to edit. Now one thing I see that we have like here copyright version, and we can also change that one. And for changing that, we are going to exit Elementor and to dashboard, because we don't want that company should be here. Why should be that here? If we are going to say that they are just made very hard work to just develop for you the theme, then that is fine, you should let that as it is. But how about if we are going to make that for our company, then we should come in customization, then we have to change that to our company. Or if we are making for our client, and how about we are changing, because we are working as well, we have just made each and everything perfect, and for doing so we have to make some changes. Now for doing, we are going to say that footer bottom, and like right now you have like what we have, copyright ocean WP dat, and like we have 2018, it should be, and that one is like built-in shortcut for that theme. You should if it will be like 2019, then it will automatically change. Don't change that one, and we are going to change then. For example, 0 0 0 coding 0 code. For example, we have 0 code. Okay, now how about that one? We have just changed it, and now we are going to see that if it will work perfect. And right now you are going to see then on a copyright we have 0 code, and it is copyright of the 0 code. And now you can see that it is our home page, which is completely functioning and working all right. And next we have like, and you can see that we have the top, like click that one and it will bring you to the top, and we have services, and now everything is functioning and you are working. We have about, everyone is looking for about us and what we are doing all right, but that gradient is not looking so much good, as it is purple, and I don't like that to be in development. But we can change that, that is not a problem. But everything is functioning all right, and someone when come here and see about us and read about his story, they will also just click that video and see what we are saying about our company. And we have finally contact, and in contact us we have every information, the detail, and everything is working fine. And that's it, you have your complete website. Congratulations. And you can also take that to the like you will get that to actual hosting as well, and it will work completely fine. I hope you got better idea. We are going to make one final touch, and we will see that because we have just got different template and we have just added that one, and like this color is not looking good for me, and it is like yellow color, and all the themes are also looking like yellow. And if I will come in home page, and you can see that it is like different color and we have different formation. How about we are going to just adjust all of them at the same time, like if I'm going to adjust that one as well, and similarly we are going to just adjust that one. Like see, we have different color here, And how about context? I just managed the context to be little bit similar to home page, and therefore when we are going to come in Elementor, and I have let me just take the primary color from the home page, and that is like edit, no, not edit, and okay, with Elementor, then we will come here and we will get like the primary color of the style, and it should be like background overlay. We have that color. Okay, we are going to copy, like we have 50, 49 and 92. We are going to copy that one, and I'm going to just go back and all pages, and since the second is services, I'm going to come in services and I'm going to change the color of that one as well, because that should be like it should not look that page is different from the home page. Every color, because in website we use mostly 2 or 3 colors that will completely incorporate it in all pages. Then if I'm going to, the gray is all right, I think that is not a problem. If I'm going to come here and edit the bus, and we are just going to click here and paste, now see, we will get exactly the same color which we have in like in our home page. And I'm going to add that one as well, update, and we are going to update that one as well, and update, and finally we will come here, style and yellow, we are going to change that color as well, see. And how about if we are going to change that color to the white? Yeah, that is now completely fine, and we are going to update, and everything seems good to me. And we can also change like the color of that session maybe, and let me check if I can do that one. Edit the main session and style, we have like background overlay and something, no, we don't have color here, and okay, we will let that as it is. And if we are going to refresh that one right now, we will see that now we have same color pattern which we have like in our home page, and that color, main color, is coming here already like that one. And I should also change the color of that this one as well, like yeah, I should also change that color. And for doing so, we are going to come in and we are going to exit that one, and our services page is now updated. We will come in all pages, and in home page, let me just make edit front page with Elementor and change it simply with different color, like I don't want that color should be here. Then style, and I'm going to paste the typo color, I don't know, we are text color. Okay, here we have now, yeah, now it's completely fine. And I'm going to change that one as well, style, edit, and color, and yes, and everything else is okay, and update that one. And finally we have like going back in our about page, and yeah, we are going to change that color as well, because it is like fashion design website and we are making like zero code. That is completely different, that this pattern, and we can easily change that one. And Elementor is therefore one of the best and most amazing tool which give complete freedom, like how should we change, and with click and drop. As you are looking that we have not touched a single coding here, and which is completely surprising, as far as if we like move 3 year or 4 year back, then we cannot see something similar like this one. Okay, maybe that is 5-year old if I'm not wrong. Let me just edit that one. We don't go towards history that much. And let me just change that one, clicking these and style, and we have like I will come in gradient, and you can see now the gradient is here, and our lake color is here, and I'm going to just change that, maybe the two color which I selected, that one I'm pasting that one, and next we have like that color paste, and yeah, and I'm going to take the opacity little bit, 50%, maybe 50 or 60%, and then we will go and see how it looks like. Now simple, we will get, now it is okay. If I'm going to increase the opacity a little bit more, then how it should be, that should be like, let me change, yeah, then we are going to background, and now yeah, now it is completely fine. And how about story? We are going to change the style as well, because the color is not looking good. And we can also change the font. For example, if I want to change the typography font, then we can change that, like H3 is here, and we have typography and we have font here. And how about Helvetica? And yeah, the size should be a little bit like this one. And how about just changing that color to red, because that is hard and it looks good if we are going to change that to red. And next, what we are going to do, we are going to change the color of that video background as well. And yeah, click that one, style, gradient, and we are going to change that one to maybe purple, and overlay background, and also change that one. And next, the secondary color, also change that one, and we are going to see that how it looks like. Now it is perfect, and yeah, everything is fine. Update, and we will just refresh that one, and you can see now it is also looking fine. And how about contact us page? It is fine. Now you can see the color scheme has been changed, and every specific part, like I have this one, we can also change the color of that one, but I think it is on gray background, then that is fine. And everything else is fine for me right now. Let me just check services, and yeah, we can also change that color like it is, but I will let that as it is, as you got the idea that how you are going to make your complete website. Same primary or secondary color, as we are going to use 2 color or 3 color for the website, not more than that. Then you are going to do something like this one, and now you have your complete website without coding or with 0 code. And congratulations, you have done an amazing job.